Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you how to make POA in Pakistan. So I will guide you step by step. First step, you need ID copies. Your ID and the other person ID whom you are transferring the vehicle, car or property or any other items. Second step, visit website. I have just pasted this website, or just visit the bank, your nearest bank of Punjab, and ask for e-stamp. Third step, once you have the e-stamp, fill it. I will share one template so it will be easy for you. So this is a template, power of attorney. By this power of attorney, CNIC, your CNIC, Pakistani passport number, presently residence at Pakistan of verbally appointed my real brother or any other relative or your friend, his Pakistani CNIC and his passport number as my authority in my name and on my behalf to do or execute all the any of the acts or things hereafter mentioned, that is to sell my vehicles or under or any property. You can mention the details to receive the sale price of the above said vehicle and execute all the necessary and required document in favor of purchaser to appear before the all government department and or transport authority Dubai or any other country in connection with the transfer of above said vehicle in favor of purchaser, to give affidavit or pay any government charges, fee, etc. in connection with the matters concerning the sales transfer of above said vehicle or property. And I heartily agree that all acts, deeds, and all the things lawfully done by my side authority shall be uh, considered as act, deeds, and things done by me, and I understand to rectify and confirm the same as if personally done by me. Witnesses and execute. You have to sign and I think you have to put your left thumb. Talk to any lawyer and attested the e-stamp. This step, attach your car or property documents along with Pakistan ID and about ID. Attach two passport size pictures with white background. Sixth step, get your documents to Ministry of Foreign Affairs Pakistan and attested. Seventh step, after getting attested from Ministry of Pakistan, send your documents for attestation to Embassy of UAE or any other country through Grey International or any other travel agency. Eighth step, once you receive the documents, keep one copy with you and send through TCS to the other person. Ninth step, the other person send documents to the translator and for attestation to the UAE embassy. After you receive the documents, you are done and sell. Please note, total cost it is around 15,000 to 25,000 rupees. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share my video.